If you're in between hair appointments and you just want something you could wear on until you get to your hair appointment, sis, this is it. I think this is it. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie T for those who know me, and for those of you thank you for joining the review. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. The wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre in the style FARIS. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2-3 cents of whether you should be in this video. Let's go. So now you're watching install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about Outre FARIS. The unit is a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace. It is a lace frontal. It is part of their Perfect Hairline. Again, the style I have is Outre FARIS. The unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The unit is 22 inches. The color that I have is DRST4 Vanilla Cocoa Melt. The unit can be worn glueless and it is pre-plucked. It says no pre-plucking required and it does look pre-plucked. The unit does come with 3 combs, one on each side, one in the back. It does come with adjustable straps in addition to a pre-attached elastic band. So this is the unit. It is not bigot friendly, I don't think. It just feels like an average cap size to me. I really enjoy this color. What's the color got? DRST4 Vanilla Cocoa Melt. I really love this color. Again, this is 22 inches, but it's 22 inches layered, so they're all the pieces are not 22 inches, so be mindful. Does the wig tangle? Just a tiny bit. No, not something that requires you to carry a paddle brush, I don't think. What is the texture of the unit? It's silky, but it looks yucky at the same time. So yak silk yak. I don't know, whatever y'all want to call it. But yeah, it's a gorgeous unit. I really, really love this unit. And I think it took me less than 30 minutes to cut the lace and plop it on my head. It is beginner friendly. It is not bigot friendly. It does have a tiny bit of flyaways. It does hold heat beautifully because I had this hump right here and I laid the hot comb on there. And it just, you know, laid it down like I needed it to. It doesn't shed at all. I don't think. If I did experience shedding, I don't remember. So I guess it might have not been that much. It doesn't tangle. The stock card does say it is pre-plucked, and I agree with that. And this is what she looks like on the stock card. There are a variety of other colors. Yeah. So what would I rate the unit on a scale of 1 to 10? She's gorgeous. Y'all don't think? What y'all think? Y'all think she look good on me? I think she look good on me. So I still want to know what y'all think though. I rate the unit like a 8. A 8. For the flyaways, we're taking out a point for flyaways and the point that is not bigot friendly. So yeah, 2 points. Take it off. But I think I give it an 8. The color is gorgeous. It took me 30 minutes to plop on. And like I said, if you're in between hair appointments and you just need something to put on your head, hurry quick and in a hurry just to get out the door so you're not late for it. This is the unit for you. She can be worn in the middle, on the left, on the right. You could even do not a half up, like a half, not a half up, but you could, you know, section the middle part out and put it up. Yeah. Yeah. But this is she. What do y'all think? Do y'all like this unit? And do y'all like these quick units where you just put on and go, you don't have to wear it? And I specifically did not wear a full face of makeup because some units I showcase them with full face of makeup, and then when I try to wear them out, if I don't have full face of makeup, to me they don't look right. So now I'm trying to see if I could not do a full face of makeup for some of the units and see how it looks to you guys, because not everyone has time to do a full face of makeup. 2, not everyone knows how to do makeup. 3, not everyone want to wear makeup everywhere they go. Everywhere they go and they want to wear a unit. So I was trying something different. So you see no lashes, no eyeshadow, I just got on powder and lip gloss and mascara. That's it. So if I could do that, if I could do these 3 things, lip gloss, mascara, and powder, you could do that too. Don't tell me y'all can't do that, okay? Because I'm gonna come through this camera. Don't tell me y'all can't do these 3 things. This is what we got. This is what we got. Let me know what y'all think. If you got in the video, know what I'm saying. You're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.